Students, welcome again to Advocate Papusaheb Bonde High School. I am Poonam Gupta, your second standard teacher. Children, today our subject is mathematics, topic 12 months in a year. From your mathematics textbook, page number 33. So children, please take out page number 33 of your textbook. Children, she is Leena. Her birthday will arrive soon. So, she made an invitation card for her birthday. So, let's see what she has written in her birthday card. All my friends are invited on my birthday party celebration, which will be held on 1st December 2020. So children, have you noticed that if we have not put the dates here, we can't able to know that when is the birthday party. In this date, first is a day of December month, and December is a month of the year 2020, and 2020 is a year. So now, to understand this, we will take our new topic, months of the year. So children, let's start. Here, this wheel shows us the 12 months of the year of the English calendar, or we can call as English months. In other words, it is called as Gregorian year. We have here 1, 2, 3 number like that till 12. Here we have 12 months that make one whole year. From that, we will start. What is the first month of the year? First month of the year is January. January. January is the first month of the year that has 31 days. The next month is February. February has February. February. It is the second month of the year that has 28 or 29 days. Because of that, it is a special month because it has 28 or 29 days. The third month of the year is March. 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 This is the third month of the year and it has 31 days. The next month is fourth month. The fourth month of the year is April. 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 April is the fourth month of the year and it has 30 days. Now, next, fifth month, that is May. May. May has 31 days. Now we will take the sixth month of the year, that is June. 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 June has 30 days. After June, we have the seventh month of the year, that is July. July. It has 31 days. The next month is 8th month, that is August. 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 August has 31 days. After 8th month is the 9th month, that is September. 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 And September has 30 days. The next month, 10th month is October. And October has 31 days. After 10th, that is 11th month. 11th month is November. 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 It has 30 days. And the last, the 12th month is December. 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 That has 31 days. Now children, we have learned all the 12 months' name with the spelling and number of days. So you have to remember that the spelling of the month of the name and how many days each month have. For that, we will take one poem to understand that. Now we will try to learn the number of days with the help of this poem. So let's start reading it. 30 days has September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 except February alone. Means, children, September, April, June and November. You have to remember these 4 months that have 30 days. And except February, all the rest have 31 days. Means January, March, May, July, August, October, December all have 31 days. Means just you have to remember these 4 months that have 30 days. And February has a special month. It has 28 or 29 days. So this poem will help you to learn this number of days easily. So remember children, the year of English months start with the month January and ends with the month December. After completing 1 year, again the next year start from the month January. Like this, the circle goes on. Now children, this circle or this whole year, 1 year is divided into 3 equal parts. Means this 12 months is divided into 3 equal parts of 4 months. 3 equal parts that have 3 seasons, or we can call it as this year is divided into 3 equal seasons. The first season is summer season. SUMMER, summer season, in which children we are having summer vacation or we are drinking the cold drinks and all. This is called as summer season. Summer season starts from the month February and ends in the month of May. It has 4 months, February, March, April, month. Means summer season has 4 months. The next season is rainy season. That is our favorite season, in which the rain is coming. The rainy season starts from the month of June and ends in the month of September. It also covers 4 months, June, July, August, September. Means rainy season have 4 months, June, July, August and September. We have rainy season for 4 months. The next season is winter season, WINTER, winter season, yes, in which we feel cold. We need sweater. That is called as winter season. Winter season starts from the month of October and ends in the month of January. The first month of the year of the winter is October, November, December and January. These 4 months we have winter season. Now children, we learned all the English month calendar with their dates and seasons. I hope you understood this all. Now we will take some questions of this English month calendar. Are you ready for this? Yes. Now we will start with this first question. Name the months that have 30 days. Children, we have learnt it before. Which month have 30 days? Are you able to answer that? Yes. We have 4 months that have 30 days. The first month is April, June, July, September and November. These 4 months have 30 days. Next. How many months of the 31 days are there in the whole year? In this whole year, how many months have 31 days, children? Yes, except that 4 and February, we have January, March, May, July, August, October and December. These months have 31 days. Next, how many days does February have? So children, all of you know, yes, 28 or 29 days because this is a special month. Next, which month comes before June? So children, what is before? Before means before that month is early, means this is the June month. What comes before? This arrow is going this side. So before June is May. And after June is July. You have to go backward one place. The next question is, which is the month before January? So what is before January, children? December. This arrow shows that the backward one, January, the backward one step is December of January. Like this, we have some question here to understand the before and after. Here we have August. What is the month before August? Which month will come before August? That is July. July, August. Then what is the after or the next? August, September. Like this, April is the month. What will be the before one? That is March. March, April. The next month is after April is May. Like this, we have February month. What is the before month of February? January. January, February, and what is the after February? That is March. Like that, you have to complete your assignments. So children, I hope you understood this lesson. The part of this lesson, English month of the calendar. We will meet you in the next video with the Indian calendar. So please do practice at home and do learning. Thank you. Subscribe, like and share our channel.